welcome or welcome back. Today I'm going to take you through 2.5 hours of speed cleaning during nap time. Emmett has been waking up early since our household goods were packed up and moved, so I'm trying to use my time wisely to hurry up and tidy our home while he sleeps. So first, I needed to use some OxyClean stain stick on Emmett's shirt. He had corn on the cob and a hot dog for lunch, and unfortunately his shirt suffered. I prefer the Puracy spray stain remover, but we ran out and I don't have time to order a new one before we leave Japan. I also had to change my own clothes because it was a very messy lunchtime. Once that was all taken care of, I filled my diffuser with some lemon essential oil. This is my favorite spring and summertime scent. It just feels fresh and clean and motivating. Next, it was time to make the bed. We got new sheets recently, right after our movers took everything, our extra sheets included. Our sheets we kept with us started to rip. We ordered this basic set of sheets on Amazon for $18, and they're so soft and comfy. I'll have to link them below. So normally I make the bed right away in the morning after I get ready for the day, but Emmett woke up before I was ready, so my entire routine was thrown off. Once the bed was made, I needed to fold a couple loads of laundry and put that away. I definitely miss being able to fold laundry and stand up at the bed while doing it, but I'm also grateful we have this little air mattress to sleep on in the meantime. After the laundry was all put away, I needed to give the bathroom some love. Since our belongings were moved, our bathrooms have just been a whole mess. There doesn't seem to be anywhere to put stuff away that makes sense. I don't want to put too much time or energy into organizing since we only have about 3 weeks left in this apartment before we move into our hotel on base for our last 5 days before we fly out. So I just put away the toilet paper that was sitting on the counter as well as the nonsense that was lingering. I just needed to put that back in our bathroom to put it away. The countertops needed a little wipe down, but the toilets were the star of the show in here today. It has been a couple weeks since I've cleaned the toilets and it definitely showed. Once Emmett's bathroom was tidied up, I moved on to our master bathroom. I put away the towels I had folded, tidied up the countertops as much as I could, wiped off the countertop, and then scrubbed the toilet. I put my nail polish and my scrunchies in this organizer on the back of the door, which I'll need to find a new rhythm for putting things away when we pack up to leave here, since this little organizer on the back of the door is just for your hygiene products. For some reason, our toilet and shower must be the perfect home for mold. We have to clean mold out of this bathroom constantly. It doesn't get much airflow since it's in the back, farthest nook in our home without any windows. Our bedroom does have a fire escape balcony that we open periodically, but not constantly, so this bathroom does suffer a little bit. After the bathroom, I was pleased to see that Emmett was still asleep, so I was able to move on to the kitchen. First, I put away the few clean dishes that were on the counter. Then I needed to clean up the actual countertops and wipe them down before being able to do the dishes. I was in the middle of painting one last manhole cover, which this is my fourth and final one, thank goodness, so I just needed to get that done so it would be off the counter forever. Once the dishes were done, I needed to sweep the floor. Since we don't have much for furniture, the dirt, crumbs, and hair seem to be all over the place. It's actually quite nasty. So I wanted to give this whole area a lot of love because I'm sick of stepping on crumbs and having Emmett freak out when he has a hair on his hand when he's playing. So I started with the entryway and worked my way into the living room, over to the dining area, and finished with the kitchen. It felt so nice to have the floor finally be clean. After the floor was all swept up, I needed to tidy this weird little catch area part of the counters and wipe them off. My water bottle and book usually linger on the edge here to keep them accessible without being in the way or within Emmett's reach, but everything else either needed to go in the garbage, the hall closet, the art drawer, or the bathroom. I also needed to tidy up the cords from the projector since it was kind of a mess up here. It's the most accessible outlet in the kitchen to be able to use electronics in the bar area and also keep the cords away from Emmett. I like to set it up on the bar stools usually and have it in the living room, but recently he has just wanted to play with it or push it over, and I don't want it wrecked since it's our only method of television watching, and I like to watch a little show at night, so it would be a little sad if I had to watch it on my phone. I was pretty proud of what I was able to accomplish during Emmett's nap today. I hope you enjoyed this video and were able to get some motivation from it. That'll be all for this little speed clean, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye!